Hello everyone and welcome back to my beauty space. It's me, Lara. Today's video is going to be a cute little makeup tutorial about how I get this current everyday look, along with a little showcase into how I do my eyeliner with pencil. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. First, I'm going to go in with my La Mer little fancy foundation, and I'm just going to take this amazing Real Techniques brush that I found at Walmart. Every product that I mention, by the way, will be linked down below, including the shades of the products and the prices and links where you can purchase them. After applying my La Mer foundation, I'm going to quickly go in with my CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder. I'm absolutely obsessed with this powder. It is my favorite makeup powder of all time. Not only is it drugstore and affordable, but it's literally clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and so good for the skin. After I set my face, I'm going to go in with my concealer using none other than my favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out underneath of my eyes. Whenever it comes to blending out your under eye concealer, it's very important to go back and forth, left and right. Don't move in only one direction because that's how you get creases. I'm going to go back in with my CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes using the little applicator that comes in the compact. And then I'm just going to go in and continue the rest of the face using my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. That will be linked below in the description box along with the shade that I use. And I just take this little random brush that I have absolutely no clue how it got into my collection, and I'm just going to start by bronzing my face and basically contouring with this bronzer. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit of nose contour here, and I'm also going to take this on the crease of my eye for a little bit of shadow, along with underneath of my lip for a little dimension. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite highlighters. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. Of course, this is Jaclyn Hill's little highlight she made in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm taking it with my Blendiful and I'm applying it to all of the high points on my face because I don't know, lately I've been so obsessed with having that nice glow while not really doing as much to the rest of the face, and I really like how it looks. I know y'all see that glow, right? Oof, mwah. Anyways, I'm going to continue my face with this little BH Cosmetics Bellini blush palette. Just like the CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder, this blush palette is vegan, cruelty-free, it is clean, and I'm obsessed. I love mixing the shades like I just did today and just really lightly applying it. Again, I will link this product. That is Bunny literally making noise. Can you stop doing that, please? Thank you. Anyways, I'm going to take this Bellini blush all over my cheeks for a little sunburn effect. Then going in with my new favorite lip liner. This is the shade Praline by Jaclyn Cosmetics, and I'm going to just really naturally outline and fill in my lips, and then go in with another all-time favorite Jaclyn Cosmetics product. This is her lip cushion in the shade Lip Locked, which again will be linked down below, and I'm just going to kind of dab this all over my lips because I don't want it to be super pigmented. I want it to be kind of like a beautiful flush of color, as you can see. Then I'm just going to get my hair out of my face because, sis, we're about to move into the hardest part of the video. I also got bangs. Did you guys notice that? I'm kind of in love with them. I did it myself and then I had it fixed at a salon, but nonetheless, I love it. Next, I'm going to be taking my Pat McGrath pencil eyeliner, and I am going to start doing my eyeliner with a pencil, not with a liquid or even with a gel liner. I'm doing it with a pencil, which is super, super old school. This is how I used to do my makeup in legit middle school, you guys. I used to literally wrap eyeliner in my waterline and like above my lash line, and sometimes I would only do it underneath of my lash line. Don't even ask me why. I thought it was literally so cute. And kind of looking back in my pictures, I mean, I definitely looked like a raccoon, but like in the moment, I just remember totally feeling so beautiful. Anyways, back to the makeup tutorial. What I'm doing now is I'm kind of tracing an outline of what I want my eyeliner to look like because I really want a specific type of look. So as you can see, I'm kind of tracing it, dotting it, and then kind of filling it in as I go in really slow, calculated, strategic baby steps because honestly, who wants to have to do all the work to clean it up and erase it and do it again? Like, I'm trying to make this like a one and done, even though this does take up the biggest portion of this video, but I just really wanted to show you guys that, eyeliner is hard for everybody. No one can do it perfectly, and if they are, they're lying to you, and I'm literally just being totally transparent here. There's barely any edits whenever it comes to this eyeliner clip of me applying it. it takes me a while, okay? It honestly takes me a while to do both sides, but that's what this clip is for, to show you that even your favorite YouTubers and influencers, sometimes they struggle with their eyeliner as well. So, you know, as we're just kind of waiting for me to finish my eyeliner here, how about we have some girl talk, you know? What's up with you guys? Let me know how you guys are in the comments. Have you guys been okay? If you're in school, how are your finals going? Let me know down below in the comments, because I'm currently in finals week right now, and trust me, it is whooping my behind, because my exams are just like killer. The amount of study material that I have to go through and all of that, it's literally just the worst. And I'm so ready to get out of school and start my spring semester of my junior year, and I'm just totally looking forward to just chilling, relaxing, and spending time with my family. And then of course you guys will get some content in my original room and my original setup that you guys are so used to, with the stinking fire alarm that you guys always call me out on in the comments. First of all, I know that the fire alarm makes that noise, okay? And just so you know, for your information, we have tried fixing it, but nothing works. But if you guys insist, I will have my mother look into getting someone to actually fix it at the house. Just since you guys have been so annoyed by that, I'm only doing it for you. Anyways, with this little eyeliner tutorial, yeah, it's definitely taking a while, but I just really want it to be perfect. And then the end result is so worth it, you guys, because I really did take my time. But as you can see, I do want to clean up the look a little bit. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on a little tiny definer brush, and I'm going to go on the underneath part of my wing and just clean it up so that way it's more sharper, and just so that way I can make a little bit of tweak and adjustment to the shape of my wing. That's the whole reason why I'm doing it. And as you can see, it's like I didn't apply anything at all, but it does clean it up super nicely. Thank God we have finally finished the eyeliner. Thank you, Pat McGrath. Whew, next thing's next. I'm going to go in with my mascara using one of my favorite Lancôme mascaras. This is the Big Monsieur mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm literally going to skip through my mascara application because, yeah, I did kind of make a mess, but I make the weirdest faces when I do my mascara. And here we have finished the mascara, and I'm not about to show you guys my weird faces, okay? Here we have the final look. Voila. I love the way that my eyeliner turned out. I love the way that my highlighter turned out, the way that my lips turned out, the way that my hair turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. I love you. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video.